In this video, we will talk about how to fix headphones connected but no sound Windows 10 Part 2. Method 1. Run Audio Troubleshoot. Click on Windows icon. Hover over to Gear icon and open Settings. Select Update and Security. On the left side, click on Troubleshoot. Then, Additional Troubleshooters. Click on Playing Audio and select Run the Troubleshooter. If you see your headphone listed in here, then select it and click on Next. Method 2. Update or reinstall audio drivers. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click on your audio device. If you're using USB headphone, you might see USB audio device listed in here. Or if you're using Bluetooth device, then you will see Bluetooth device in here. Simply right-click and select Update Driver. Then search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't work, right-click on your audio device. Select Uninstall Device and click on Uninstall. Afterwards, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 3. Audio Enhancements. Right-click on Sound icon. Select Sounds. Click on Playback tab. Select your headphones from the list. It could show up under Speaker. Select Properties. Now, click on Enhancements tab. Check Disable all enhancements. Click on Apply and OK. Method 4. Restart audio services. Click in Search, type Services. Select Open. Here, you need to find Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click on both of them one by one. Select Restart. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. See you in the next video.